how to remove water from camera lens. So let's get started. Removing water from a camera lens requires careful handling to avoid damage. First thing first, immediately power off the camera to prevent any potential short circuits or damage to internal components. If the water has gotten inside the lens or between the lens elements, you may need to remove the lens from the camera body. Refer to your camera's manual for instructions, then specific to your model. Use a soft dry cloth to gently wipe away any water or the exterior of the lens and camera body. Now look through the lens and inspect for any water droplets inside. If water is present inside the lens, it's crucial to let it dry naturally to avoid causing damage during removal attempts. Place the lens in a dry, warm area with good airflow. You can leave it in a room with low humidity or use a silica gel packet to absorb moisture. After allowing sufficient time for drying, use a microfiber lens cloth to gently wipe away any remaining moisture or condensation of the lens surface. After that, once you are confident that the lens is dry, reattach to its camera body and power on the camera and check if there are any signs of water spots or condensation of the lens elements or inside the viewfinder. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.